Today we're looking at a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport, four-wheel drive, 23,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, it's black in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you here. Start here on the driver's side. All right, it does have the black soft top on it. Driver's side of the vehicle is in great shape. Everything looks good back here. Down the passenger side. Right, no issues at all. Everything's well taken care of on the exterior of this Wrangler. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the manual locks, manual windows, black cloth seats. Driver's seat's in good shape. Passenger seat looks good. All right, it is an automatic, four-wheel drive. Got your climate control area here. All right, it's got your CD player, AM, FM stereo. It's got the leather wrap steering wheel, Bluetooth and steering wheel radio controls. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 23,154 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the display screen here for the radio. All right, it does have the CD player. It's got Bluetooth. And then down here we have your climate control area. All right, it is an automatic. Okay, you got your power supply outlet here. All right, air conditioning is blowing cold, no problems there. All right, it also has your temperature readout here and the direction you're traveling right there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Carpet back here looks good. Back seat cloth's in great shape. No issues at all here on the inside of this Wrangler. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look in the back. Carpet back here is in good shape. Plenty of room back there. Let me go ahead and open up this back passenger side just so you can see from this angle as well just how well taken care of these seats are. And also with the front passenger seat. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 16-inch steel wheels, all right, style steel wheels. Tires are still in good shape. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport, four-wheel drive. All right, 23,000 miles on it. All right, 23,000 miles on it. It's in great condition, clean Carfax, one owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.